right, there's Miss Press. But here is my new basement craft room. As you can see, my filming arm there. This here is boxes that we're going to go through. That'll be gone. This is still a work in progress. I still got to paint this wall. But, you know, to be sitting in the litter boxes and then their little plaything. But this will be hopefully all gone in time. But this is where we set up. I got the carpet from my dad. It's an indoor-outdoor, as you can see. And she's just hanging out on there. Hey, you're on video. Say hi. But here are the inside of the table there, where I was telling you about where, you know, I put flowers in it. And my husband needs to seal this up, but it's still usable. And then there's Velvet. There's the chubby wubby. And then there's our door. And then as you can see, there's our focus. There we go, it's focusing. Now, and then over here, I'm still cleaning up all this mess. And then if we go in here, I don't know if we'll be able to see this or not. I got some light. I don't know. You have to hang on. But this is my office, and this is where we do other stuff. But this fireplace right here is going to go in here in my new craft room for filming and whatever. Is going to go on this wall. So that'll look really nice. And then we might put this small TV up there. And then you see more of my faces, Mardi Gras faces. I collect those. So this is going to go in the craft room there. And then this here, my husband got this for free. We're going to put that up against this wall and have a TV in there. So this is kind of where I can work down here in the basement if I want, or upstairs. And then I just got this up, and then this is my sewing area I've got fabric to sew a skirt onto the bottom of this table. So the table will it's got, I don't know if you put them up or not. See those? Yeah, I see you. Those are to hang the curtains I'm going to make to cover this up so you won't be able to see down underneath the table. And then we'll take a nice little walk around here. And in here is where we're going to store everything. Oh, sorry. See, I've already moved shelving. So we got another shelving that'll go here. So that'll be like more boxes and whatever. And then we're going to put blankets and stuff on another one. But I got to finish what I started. And then this is, of course, storage for Christmas and coats, washer, dryer. You know, then our essentials that we keep stacked up in here, if you're curious. And yeah, this is the tour of our basement with the new craft room. Oh, there she goes. You gonna run? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. She's chubby. She's 17 pounds. I'm trying to get the weight off of her. Hi. Meow. She's like, she don't care. So there you go. This is the new craft area where I can film doing big diamond paintings, and Helen can sit on the other side, like on that side or this side. We can sit, we can talk, we can, you know, have a good old blast and film. I can hang it from the rafter up there down so you could just see us diamond painting, talking and having a good old laugh. Or I can put us right there on the end and film all the way through there. So that's the new more craft room area if you need one for a basement. So, and by the way, that's a tapestry. It's not actually going out into our yard. I wish, and I have other tapestry. I got fall, and you can get them off of Amazon. I think that is oh man, what is that? You know, I'm not sure how long and how wide it is. I'll have to look. Sorry, I don't remember. But I hope you enjoyed this video here, and if you got any comments or want to know anything, just leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you on the next video, and thank you very much. Bye.